everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to add flash on CapCut. If you'd like to add the flash transition on your video or photos on CapCut, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your CapCut application from your app drawer and start by creating a new project by tapping on the plus button. Now select 2 videos or photos from your camera roll. You can also add more than 2 videos or photos that you like. Let me go ahead and select one from my camera roll first and then tap on the add button at the bottom right. Now, once you've added a photo or a video of your choice, tap on this transition button over here in the middle where the 2 video meets, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the transition menu appearing at the bottom. From the menu displayed, select the flashes option. Once you select the effect, you can set the duration that the white flash effects will last, and finally tap on the tick mark at the bottom right to apply the effect. Now, play the video and you'll be able to see the effect applied on your CapCut video or photo. The white flash effect is mostly used while making slow motion videos look more attractive and aesthetic. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.